Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Aternos account. So let's get started. So to create that, what you have to do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for aternos.org. After searching for that, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this option which says login or sign up. So by login or sign up, you will come up to this page where you can log into your account if you already have an account. So you can continue with your Google, or you can just enter your username or password to log into your account. But if you don't, what you have to do is just tap on sign up. After tapping on sign up, you just have to enter a username. After entering the username, you just have to toggle these options on. After doing that, just tap on next. After tapping on next, you just have to create a password for your account. So just create a password, then re-enter that password. After doing those, now you have to create a username, or just enter your username for your account. After entering the password, now what you can do is just enter your username. After entering your username, now you can just tap on sign up. After tapping on sign up, you can see I've successfully created an account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Aternos account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.